Hello again, it's Helen Howe from Helen Howe Designs that Crafts You Print. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to put together my latest diorama box card. Now the graphics that I've used in this design come from jaguarwoman.com and Digital Curio. The template's by Tony Bradshaw from Crafts You Print. Okay, let's get on with it. In your kit you'll get a sheet that gives you the back part of the box, and this is the only part you need to put backing paper onto. Okay, then you will get a middle piece and a front piece, and you need to cut out both the centres of these, so we'll just move these out of our way. There's decoupage as well, which you need to cut out, and you will see that I have already decorated my sheets. I like to do these things before I actually put the card together. Here's the envelope. I've made it all up ready. Nice for the card to fit in once it's done. Okay, let's move that out the way. So, we start with the back layer, and we're going to score these lines, and then we are going to valley fold them. This forms the back of our box. Let's just check we're in line, and we are. Ooh, slipped. That's it. And that should have come through. Yep. And we'll do that to the other side. And just line it up. Check it before I put any pressure on it. Yep, that's good. So now we're going to valley fold both these pieces, and you can see at the back your line. So fold it over, use your bone knife to get a nice crisp edge, and do the same with the other side. That is the back of your box. So the next layer that we need to see to is the middle layer. Again, we're going to score these lines, but this time we're going to do mountain folds. So let's score that. One, two, that's good. So now we'll just turn this into a mountain fold. Again, I've said it before, be careful when you're working with gloss paper, because if you're too abrupt with it or harsh with it, it will crack. But I do like to see a card with gloss paper. I think it gives it a more professional look. But that's just my personal opinion. Right, so now we have to glue these sides, and we're going to fit them into our box like that. So that will sit out like that. So let's do that next. I've got some paper, and I've got my good old glue stick, and I do like it because it allows me to move the card about until I've got it into the right position. So let's go here. Just Just make sure you put enough on so that it does stick. I could do with a little bit more. Ooh, there we go. And the other side the same. You can use glue tape if you prefer, but make sure that you get it in place right the first time, because once you stick your glue tape down, that's it. So we're going to get that in and that in. This is what I mean about being able to move this. But you can't do that with double-sided tape. There, there, and we'll do the same on the other side. It's about there. Bring it up a little bit low. There we go. And that's our second layer in. Now at this point we need to put the decoupage onto this. So here I have it already cut out and ready to go on. So we'll just use these foam squares to add it to it. Let's just get this out of the way and have a look at what we've got. You can do that and that and a piece there. I think that will do fine. I've said it before, if you haven't visited Craft the Shoe Print and you do like making cards, then it is a site you really should go and have a look at. It's probably one of the best site on the internet, and it has lots of designers, very talented designers, and lots of different styles. And not only does it do card making things, there's all sorts of craft as well, scrapbooking, knitting, whatever is your thing, you will find it there. And if you are there, don't forget to give my shop a little look as well. That would be nice. Just cut that. Pop that on that bit and that'll hold that. Doesn't lose any of my bits. You don't have to decorate this card if you're not a glitter person or a gem person. The card will look just as lovely without any of it. I just happen to be a glitter girl. I like a bit of sparkle. Now then. There we go. So that is our decoupage for this part. So now all we need to do is sort our top layer out. See, the card is very easy to make, but is really quite lovely once it's done. So again, we're going to score these two lines, and we are going to mount and fold them, and then we're going to glue them on the underneath, and they're going to form the side of the box for you. So let's do that. over a bit of glitter there, over another bit of glitter. Alright, let's get this right. Yep, that's the right place. That's come through. So we'll now line this one up. Whoops, there's the glitter. As I hit the glitter, it doesn't like it. There we go. So we're going to do mountain folds. Make sure you get the fold right on the line so that everything is even in its place. And this is going to fit over our box that way to create our 3D and come out just a little bit like that. So we'll get our bit of paper again and our glue stick, and we'll glue these underneath pieces. That side. And that side. Move those out the way. And let's fit these onto the box. That edge to be there, and that edge to be there, and I'll just move it a bit. See, this is why I choose glue, because you can move it. That's it. We'll press down. And we'll come up to the other side of the box. Make sure that's pressed down. And that's your box together. So now all we need to do is put the decoupage on the front of this too. So we'll go with these, just one of these onto the bell should be fine. Let's see. We might, just to give it a bit of stability, might pop a piece up at the top as well. Line up with that and that, and oh, no, come off. I've missed it. You can, if you're very careful, lift these. There we go. That's one. I take another one. And just cut another piece for the top. Where did I cut from? We'll go here, that will do. There we go. And we'll fix the bell on. Perfect. So that's your bell on. So now we'll do the flower. And again, we'll just use a couple of these. We'll go across this way and down this way. And I think the best thing to do is line up with the bottom leaf. If that fits, so should everything else, and it does. Look at that. And we have just one more for the top layer. Again, we'll line up the bottom leaf. And if that lines up, so will everything else. Beautiful. And there we go. That is your box. All done. And ready. And with it you have a nice envelope. So I hope if you decide to buy this kit, and you can find all my kits in my shop at Crafts You Print, www.craftsyoprint.com/Helen-Howell/. Until next time, happy crafting.